Some quick and easy tips to help you stay well in a sick culture. Mindful eating. Whole foods like fruits and veggies instead of processed junk. Your body will thank you. Stay active. Make time for exercise. Even a short walk or a quick home workout can boost your mood and immunity. Digital detox. Unplug from screens for a while. It reduces stress and improves sleep. Remember, there's more to life than scrolling. Prioritize sleep. A good night's sleep is your body's natural healer. Aim for 7-9 hours to recharge and stay well. Connect and communicate. Spend quality time with loved ones. Strong relationships are a cornerstone of good health. Practice gratitude. Keep a gratitude journal. It's a simple way to shift your focus to the positive aspects of life. In this sick culture, it's more important than ever to prioritize your well-being. Remember these tips, and you'll be on your way to a healthier, happier you. Subscribe.